Hello students, let us solve one illustration of this DUIS rule 2. So here I have written the rule. Let us take this problem. Evaluate I alpha is equal to integral a to a square sine ax upon x dx. Now see here, this is a function of a. Okay, so here the lower limit is a function of a, upper limit is a function of a. Okay, no, these are not constants now. And a is involved here. The integrand inside, okay, so we will write that as f of x comma a, and that will be sine ax by x, right? So if we put that, okay, so let us solve this. So di by dA will be equal to, according to the rule, integral a to a square, okay, dabba by dabba a of sine ax by x dx plus, okay, now here we require this upper limit to be replaced with x. Okay, so here our function is sine ax upon x, so wherever there is x, okay, we will replace it by the upper limit. So I'll put a square over here, I'll get a cube here, and here a square. So I'll have sine of a cube divided by a square d by dA of a square, this is my upper limit, minus sine of, now I'll put lower limit in place of x. So lower limit in place of x, sine of a square divided by a d by dA of a, right? See that this part is not inside the integration, but it is outside the integration. Integration is only up to here. Okay, so let us simplify this further. Fine, now what we will have is integral a to a square. Okay, now let me take the partial derivative of this. So 1 by x will be outside since it is with respect to a. Derivative of sine is cos ax as it is, into derivative of ax with respect to a is x dx plus, now here I have sine of a cube by a square into 2a minus sine of a square by a into 1. Okay, so now this x get cancelled and we have a to a square cos ax dx plus this a get cancelled, 2 sine a cube by a, okay, and minus sine a square by a. Okay, now this integration is the easiest part. So this is so let me solve this integration. Integration of cos is sine ax by x. Now see that the integration is with respect to x. Okay, so here we have constant a, from a to a square, 2 sine a cube as it is by a, sine a square as it is by a. Okay, so if we put the limits, now it is sine of, if we put a square, it is a cube by a, right? And when we put a, it is sine of a square by a plus 2 sine a cube by a minus sine of a square by a plus c. Okay, so this is equal to, now sine, yeah, not this c is required, so this is 3 sine a cube by a minus 2 sine a square by a. So this will be the final answer. Okay, I hope you have understood this. We'll see some more illustration in the next video. Thank you.